Okay, I'm gonna hopefully be able to show you the recipe of tuna casserole. I'm having problems with the oven, I'm not sure what's going on. Thought I had it preheating, came in here and found out it shut off for some reason. Not sure why yet. The oven's warm. I ain't used it, but for some reason it shut itself off. So I'm not sure what's going on with the oven. Alright, we'll just have to wait, see if it heats up while I'm doing this part of it. Okay, I've got it preheating until 425, if it'll work right. Okay, what you're gonna need is egg noodles that you've already cooked. I got probably about half a bag here. It's already pre-cooked. We need a couple cans of tuna fish. Alright. Tuna fish needs to be drained. There's another can of tuna fish. A can of peas, drained also. And 1 can cream of mushroom. Alright. Yeah, mix it up together in a casserole dish. This is a recipe something my mom used to cook for us when we were kids. Um, it's Mother Day, it's coming up in a couple days. We lost my mom a bit over a year ago, and I'm really missing her. Anyway, this is just something she liked to cook a lot. Tuna casserole. Hopefully it'll work out alright. I gotta keep an eye on this oven. Like I said, I don't know what's going on with this oven. I'm the only one here. Everybody else is gone for the weekend. Gone to my roommate's mom's place. Gonna stay up there till probably sometime Sunday. Spend Mother's Day with her mom. It mixed in real good. Yeah, so far so good. So the oven seems to be working alright. Hopefully it'll stay that way. I'm hungry. Yeah, just make sure you cook the noodles according to the package directions. It's just basically just boiling them. We got some pepper in it. Add a little pepper to it. Yeah, I never told you guys much about it. I'm a family. Staying with some friends, but we lost my mom a little over a year ago. And it's been pretty rough, to say the least. And with Memorial Day coming up for Sunday, I'm having a pretty rough time with it. Alright, we lost my dad. It's been 11 years. 11 years next month when we lost my dad. Alright, where's it? Did I get it? Here it is. I'm hoping things will be a little bit calmer around here tonight than it was last night. Somebody blocked the street over behind us without shooting a gun off last night. They shot about 20 rounds off. I don't know what the hell was going on back here. And I'm not exactly living in the best end of town. There's some kind of crap going on around here. Alright, stir it up a little more. I'm really living in the ghetto, but I'm not living in the town either. Well, some people might consider the area I live in a ghetto. That's not the worst end of town. Just depends on how you look at it. Alright, I got stirred up pretty good. Put a little more seasoning in it. It's black pepper and the Cormac Old Bay is what I'm using for seasoning with this. Alright, looks like this oven's still working. I don't know why it cut off earlier. I have no clue why this thing shut off earlier. Hopefully it won't do that again. Alright, I'm going to stick this in the oven for about 20 minutes. And we'll put this camera on hold during that 20 minutes. I'm not going to stand there and record 20 minutes of it just baking in the oven. So, I'll see you when I get it out of the oven. It's done. Alright, I've had it in the oven for about 15 minutes. It's ready to eat. Let me turn this oven off. I don't know why the oven was acting up earlier. I don't know what was going on with it. It's done. Within oven 425 about 15 minutes. You just put some on your plate. Here's my plate. It's simple, easy recipe. You can cook for your family using this food storage. Tuna fish, egg noodles, a couple cans of tuna, and can of cream of mushroom. Just cook egg noodles, then combine all your ingredients, casserole, and stick it in the oven for at 425 about 15 minutes. You got a simple, easy dinner for your family. Hope you try it and enjoy it.